Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Great Falls, Virginia, and the homeowner has leaks over here and leaks over here. In fact, there's quite a few different leaks altogether, and there's no penetrations going through the roof. No vents, no pipes, nothing that could be causing the leaks. Now, one thing I tell my customers all the time is that when you install a new roof, the fastening procedures is most important, because if the shingles are not fastened perfectly, the home will have blown off shingles, and also they will develop leaks. Now here you can see, like for example, right there's a nail exposed at the keys. So when it rains really heavy, or if there's a melting snow, the water will get through the key, leak through the side of the nail, and then the water can settle anywhere down below. And I'm seeing this all over the place. So even though this is a great roof, it is only as good as the contractor who installs it. Unfortunately, the roof is only about 12 years old, so this roof would have to be stripped. And then we have to install the new ice and water shield underlayment and new shingles. But most importantly, we need to make sure that the roof is fastened according to the manufacturer's specifications, because if it's not, they'll end up having a problem again. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement and roof repair in Great Falls and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.